y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Tonight we're cooking, but we're not really cooking. I don't know how many of you are like me that pizza is one of my favorite foods. I mean, I love pizza. The thing I hate about pizza is rewarming the leftovers. I'm going to show you how I do it. Hope you all like it. Super simple, super easy. It's like everything I do. First thing I do is I start out, I'll throw it in the microwave. I hate putting it in the microwave to start, just to rewarm it to eat it, because it gets all soft and gooey and stuff like that. But in this one, I do put it in there to kind of like pre-warm it. And then I melt a little bit of butter in a frying pan and just lay it in there and let her cook. Kind of like you're doing a grilled cheese sandwich. You know, butter, bread, it's going to get nice and toasty. Now, these pieces are a little bigger, so I'm just going to do a couple of them at a time. I'm going to do 3 pieces, but that's all there is to it. Just sit in there, let it go, and let her sizzle away. So we're going to let this here cook, and I'll bring you all back whenever we get these all warmed up. Alright, y'all. Got the other 2 pieces done. This one here is just about done. I'm going to actually flip this one over, let y'all see what it looks like. I mean, look at that nice brown, crispy topping on there. And you can leave it on there like that, and upside down, and kind of brown that other side too. I like to do that, but this has a lot of toppings on it, so I don't know how. Yep, see, some of my toppings fell off, but it'll be alright. So, but there you go, there you have it. That's how I do my rewarm my pizza. If you guys like that, think it's a good idea, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section down there. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and tell me that you're new, subscribe. You like what I'm doing there. Don't forget about my weekly Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Hope you all stop by. We're still on the road to 1K at this point. Like 20 away, 22 away, something like that. Hope you all hit that subscribe button and get me up over that 1,000 mark. I love making these videos for you guys. Hope you guys really do enjoy watching them. Apparently you do, because you keep watching them, and so I keep making them. So y'all have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.